Let us now try to understand the electronic configuration for the fifth element, that is boron. Boron has an atomic number, that is Z, of 5. Therefore, the number of electrons in boron are also 5 as per the formula Z is equal to P equals to E. Now, let us try to arrange these 5 electrons in different shells. That means write its electronic configuration. Now, keeping in mind the different rules for writing the electronic configuration, we know that the K shell can have a maximum of 2 electrons. And boron has a total of 5 electrons, so the remaining 3 electrons will now move on to the L shell once the K shell is filled. Therefore, it has a configuration of 2 electrons in the K shell and 3 electrons in the L shell. That means having an electronic configuration of 2, 3. Now, any other way of writing the electronic configuration for boron is an incorrect way, and let us try to understand this diagrammatically now. So if we try making an arrangement of this form in which we put all the 5 electrons in the K shell, this is a wrong representation for electronic configuration, since the K shell can never have more than 2 electrons in it. Or if we try making an arrangement of this form wherein we put no electron in the K shell at all and we put all the 5 electrons in the L shell, that means having a configuration of 0, 5 is again wrong, since we know that we need to fill the K shell first before the electrons actually jump onto the L shell. So this is a wrong electronic configuration for boron. Or if we try making an arrangement of this form, that means we complete the K shell with 2 electrons. We do not put any electron in the L shell at all, and we put the remaining 3 electrons in the M shell. That means without filling in the L shell, we are moving on to the M shell. That means if we keep an electronic configuration of 2, 0, 3 is again a wrong representation for boron. Therefore, the only correct way of representing boron is that we put 2 electrons in the K shell and the remaining 3 electrons in the L shell. That means boron has only 2 shells, K and L shell, and has an electronic configuration of 2, 3.